Fix Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core Controller not working issue on PC. Hashstar 1. Restart your PC and controller. Disconnect your controller completely. Restart your computer normally. Reconnect the controller afterward. 2. Check controller connection. Use wired connection if possible. Reconnect Bluetooth controllers properly. Test the controller in another game. 3. Enable Steam input. Open Steam library. Right-click Rogue Core Properties, Controller. Enable Steam input for your controller type. 4. Update controller drivers. Open Device Manager on Windows. Update Xbox, PlayStation, or generic controller drivers. Restart your PC after updating. 5. Disable extra input devices. Disconnect racing wheels, HOTAS, or extra controllers. Keep only one controller connected. Relaunch the game afterward. Star 6. Run Steam and Game as administrator. Right-click Steam shortcut, select Run as administrator, launch Rogue Core afterward. 7. Disable overlay applications. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close DS4 Windows or controller remapping apps temporarily. Stop unnecessary background applications. 8. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core. Click Verify integrity of game files. 9. Reset controller configuration. Open Steam Big Picture mode. Remove custom controller profiles. Reconfigure the controller from default settings. 10. Reinstall controller drivers or the game. Uninstall controller drivers from Device Manager. Reconnect controller for fresh installation. Reinstall Rogue Core if issue continues.